PC this summer. This is the best £400 gaming PC build, in my opinion. Also, comment down below if you think this is accurate or if you agree or disagree with this. Or if you think this PC is bad or good. I want to know. Starting off, I found this i5 10400 with a H510M motherboard for £150. This is what it's looking like. I think that's a bargain. Next, I found a NetAC DDR4 3200 MHz 2x16 gigs. So basically this is 32 gigabytes of RAM for £44. It's on sale right now. £44.90. Next, I'm using a MSI Mag A650BN 650 watt power supply. This is also on sale for £37.90. As you saw from the previous series, I've been using the Cooler Master TD300, but I've been using the white version. This is the black version, just to change things up, for £46.98. That's a steal. You can also get the white version for 43 quid, but I'm changing it up. Get the black version. That's what it's looking like. Because this is a black themed gaming PC case, I've also got this. So this is a CPU, not a CPU fan, is a fan. It says CPU fan, but it's a fan for your PC case. This is for the exhaust. This is the exhaust fan. You'll need this for your PC.